On the subject of solar power, sun's just gone in, perfect timing. Are you going to get enough sunlight? There we go. So what I think I'll do is I'll just transfer that solar panel across to there. Hi guys, I just built this rotating merry-go-round wooden construction kit, which has 2 AA batteries to run it. Well, I just happen to have some solar panels that I've used on this sort of thing before, so I've just connected it up. It's probably overpowered looking at the speed that's going. Actually, on the camera we got the strobe effect due to the frame rate. There we go. No sun, sunshine. Yeah, I set this little array up for one of my other solar powered wooden kits. I don't think it needs all that power. There'll be a link in the video description to the build video for the merry-go-round, and there'll be links to my other wooden kits and my solar kits. There we are, running off a different panel, just a single panel. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.